Wow. Today is Monday, January 6th. I don't know if I'll be posting a blog, if I'll be posting just what I wore in a week. But in case I am, hello, here's my intro, I guess. It's very cold. I'm back in the office, so just made my breakfast and I'm gonna get dressed and get going. Up close and personal. So I'm giving myself 15 minutes to do my makeup and we'll see how that goes. Strobe cream. Not a fan of winter. I mean, I know some people are. I just like, when it's like this, all I want to do is sleep and eat and not leave the house, which is not great. Somebody needs to do her eyebrows. Well, not today. We're not going to be plucking it today. Don't have the time. Okay? Take me as I am. Hairy girl. I'm going to be using the Luminous Silk Foundation. This is in 4.5. Put this much. Okay. Good enough. And the next thing is our concealer. This is the Born This Way. I always use this. This is in shortbread. So I'm gonna move on into contouring. I'm using the Hollywood Contour Wand by Charlotte Tilbury in medium dark. My skin feels so dry, even though I used that MAC strobe cream, which is a little hydrating. It just, ugh, so dry. Okay, Monday, one day. I was off from work for like 2 weeks. And I am that meme that I don't know how to do my job anymore. Hopefully I'll remember by the end of the day, right? That's what we only hope. You know what? I'm gonna go in with Pinker. I never actually use this shade. It's this one over here. I'm just gonna use the regular ABH brush. I'm not a big fan, but I also do, oh shit, that's not what I wanted. Let's go in here. I'm not a big fan of this brush, but I also don't hate it. I think it's fine for like a quick blend. And I'm just gonna go above the crease, or actually on my crease with Pinker. And yeah, that's what we'll do. I don't have a lot of time, so. I mean, look how this blends. It's just incredible. The fact that there's this much pigment and it just blends like a dream. I have other ABH palettes that I don't think are like the formula is not this good. I mean, I have the Prism palette that is the Prism, or I forget the name of that palette that everyone, Subculture, yes. I have the Subculture palette that everyone hated. And I agree that that's a palette that if I'm going to be using that, I have to really have the time to spend to blend, because it's just so hard to work with, but it's a beautiful palette. Like, I really like the color scheme on that one. Go into trust issues now. This one right here. I'm just gonna apply all over my lid. I'm gonna go in with my Marc Jacobs black eye pencil, just right above my lash line. And to smoke out my lash line, I'm going to be using an e.l.f. What's the name? Eyeliner brush. And I'm going to be dragging the same brush just under, right under my eye. Should smoke out a little bit more. Oh, fuck. All right, well, 15-minute mark has passed, but we're very far along, so I'm not mad about it. I'm gonna be using this Marc Jacob to set my under eye. Same palette, but using a Smashbox brush. I'm gonna use the shade part just under my cheekbones. This is a lot harder than it looks. Cool. Next things are Fenty Beauty bronzer in Caramel Cutie, and just bronze up the skin because we are looking so pale. It is winter, right? So I guess it makes sense. For my highlighter, I'm gonna use Perla. An alarm is going off. Almost forgot that I have to do my eyebrows. We're at 18 mark. I mean, honestly, what I was thinking. We all know that I can't do this in 15 minutes, but in 20, it's more likely. Fenty Beauty 2 in How Many Carats? It's just so beautiful. And this is a Real Techniques brush. This is a setting brush that I use to highlight. Brows. Actually, my brows take forever, so I'm gonna do them off camera. I think I want to go back in my palette and go to Soleil. I'm gonna be using Soleil, just because I want to add a little bit more shimmer here. I'm just using my finger. I always think that for this part, it always works really well. And for my inner corner, Trust Issues. And then for my brow bone, this guy. Oops. Maybe I shouldn't be using this brush, but too late. For mascara, I'm gonna use my Milk Makeup Kush mascara in black. I don't know if it comes in other colors, but this is black. I love this mascara. I'm not a really big fan of this for the bottom lashes, but I really like this mascara. So I actually realized that I didn't put any blush, so I'm gonna be using this Hourglass Ambient Light in Ghost, and I'm gonna be dipping in these two shades. And just a little bit, not much, just to add some color. Okay, we're good. I'm not gonna do my lips right now because I need to finish getting ready. I'm still wearing my robe, but this is the finished look. I'll come back once I'm done with everything. I'll probably be using my regular nude combo, so I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, so I did my lips. I'm using Charlotte Tilbury and Kylie Cosmetics combo. I'll link down below. It's the lip pencil in Iconic Nude and Kiki cream lipstick. For my outfit, I'm using Zara jeans, boots, and white long t-shirt, and this hourglass blazer from the Frankie shop. So yeah, I'll probably do a check-in when I come back home at night so you can see the jacket that I wore. All right, this is the finished look. I'm all bundled up. I'm all bundled up. Is that how you say it? Anyway, this is a scarf. I think it's from H&M. This is a North Face jacket, super warm. And I'm wearing a backpack because I'm taking the train, so trying to be comfortable. Bye. So today's Tuesday, and I'm running a little bit late. So today's outfit is very simple. I just didn't have the time to really think what I wanted to wear. So it's just this, oh my God. So the whole outfit is Zara. These are leather pants, these platform boots, a white t-shirt, long sleeve, and this like oversized neon yellow shirt. It's also very cold, so obviously I'll probably be wearing the same coat that I wore yesterday just because it doesn't make sense to like, I want to be warm. But yeah, so that's today's look. And then for my makeup, I did a makeup without foundation, and it's just a regular day. I mean, and I use a Jackie Aina palette from ABH. So yeah, that's today's look. Oh, and I'm wearing a little headband because my hair was a mess. I'll try to check in later. I don't know if I will. Good morning. Today's Thursday, the third day. I didn't film yesterday because I worked from home and I literally spent the whole day in my robe, so nothing to report. But today is very, 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 very cold, and I'll be wearing a very heavy coat, which is my usual winter coat. But we're wearing Zara boots in denim. This is a vintage velvet blazer that I got from this store here in Astoria called LoveDay Queen. Is it LoveDay Queen? I think I call her LoveDay Queen. And this is a t-shirt from ASOS. The earrings are from Zara, and this, I don't remember where I got this, but it's similar to that, like another designer necklace. I think it's Chloe, I'm not really sure. So yeah, platform boots, just very casual. Didn't want to think about it too much. And the makeup is casual. I don't know. There's some glitter. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe I'll do another one with a selfie video so you can see the makeup a little bit more. But yeah, that is Thursday look. Okay, so here's the makeup for today. It's very neutral. I wore the neutral palette from Tati Westbrook, and I think you can see now a little bit better. There's a little bit of glitter and sparkles, and the skin is very like dewy, and there's a lot of highlight in there. And for lips, I'm using Charlotte Tilbury Iconic Nude and a Kylie and Kim collaboration, I think. It's the Kiki liquid cream lipstick. It's not the matte formula, so yeah. It's the makeup. Oh, that's all my teeth. Sorry guys, I had breakfast and haven't brushed my teeth yet, so I'll catch you all later. All right, here's the going outside look. Not great, but we want to be warm. These sunglasses are from Zara. and the scarf is from H&M, and this is a North Face jacket because it's so warm and I do not want to be cold. And my Louis Vuitton backpack. I'm out. Well, happy Friday, and guess who woke up late today? My alarm never went off, but anyway, this today's look. I'm off to go to the office. It's very simple, nothing too crazy, just a regular makeup, you know, very simple, very minimal. So I'm gonna show you guys my look, but essentially I wanted to wear a dress today, so we'll see how that goes because it's not, you know, it's not warm outside. It really isn't. Friday, and this is the finished look for today. I only changed 3 times. I'm wearing this feather jacket underneath because why not? So dresses from Topshop, boots are from Stuart Weitzman. This I got at Revolve. I don't remember the name. And this is a Zara coat. And my backpack. That's it. That's today's look. Do you see my face?
Yeah, I see your face.
Okay, so this is my makeup. Do you like my makeup, babe?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. All right, I just realized that I recorded everything with my phone the other way. All right, so real quick, this is today's look. I'm wearing tall boots that I got from ASOS. This is a Zara leather skirt. This is a white t-shirt with some shoulder pads, and this is a chunky sweater that I got from, I think, Mom's Handmade. Rebecca Minkoff bag with the Kate and Kate strap and Lily clasp earrings, and that's it. Gotta go. All right, I'm gonna try with a new mirror. Today's Sunday, and that's today's look. It's 66 Fahrenheit, so legs are out. These are Zara boots, Zara slip dress with a little belt just to make it a little bit shorter. This is a hourglass blazer from the Frankie shop, and this is a vintage bag that I got a while ago. Wow, this mirror is like real dirty. Good job. All right, so here's the look without the blazer. I put a little belt just to make it a little shorter. I wore this to a wedding actually, and I like that slip dresses you can dress it up or dress it down. And that's my cat. Say hello, girl. Say hello, Foxy Hands. That's Foxy. She's beautiful. She's my girl. She's my girl. Just one more look. Yeah, I really like the slip dress, and I like the color too. I think it goes well with my skin tone. So I just realized that I know where my camera is now, which is right there. So I'm going to leave you guys here and say thank you for watching. And if you want to see more, you can subscribe. And then what do? You ring the bell if you want to see when I upload. Hopefully there's more coming your way. And yeah, I mean, this is January in New York City, and I'm wearing a slip dress, which is great, but not the norm. So while I enjoy this weather, it's not looking great, if you know what I mean. Well, thank you so much for watching, and yeah, just hang tight. We'll come back at some point soon. Bye.